Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about how to write a program of Python using mobile. So there is one website. In that website, or there is one app also, Replit app. Using that app, you can write a program. So I will write the name of that website. Replit app also Replit. So you can download Replit app on mobile. Otherwise, you can use this Replit websites. So it's a secure website. So I click here. So that purpose, so this purpose you require the Gmail accounts. When you click on start coding, so it will be ask you to create a replit or continue with Gmail. So if you have Gmail, you have to continue with Gmail account. So now it will be display login. So if you want to write a program, first you have to create a folder. So in this replit, it's called the REPL. So click on this plus sign, create a folder, and select the language. So using this replit, you can write the program of many language, more than one. So first you have to select the language Python and create a folder bj5 j251 251. So now in this folder you can write a program. Now see, it will be display here. So it's a console, output it will be display, and here you can write the program. So now here see, I will write the command print welcome. So it how to run, you click on this, so it will be display the welcome. So in this way you can write the program using Replit website or app. I hope so you understood. If you have any query, you can ask me. Thank you for watching video.